Sticking to your habits is the most difficult thing I would know, because first I used to exercise, make a schedule, do the whole thing of planning, and end up going to the gym for like 3 to 4 days or maximum a week. I never used to stick to my own habits, and now I exercise 5 days a week without any problem. And I have been doing this consistently for a really long time. And here's how you can stick to your habits as well. These are the 5 proven systems that work, and a lot of successful people use these methods, so you can try them too. Number one, identity over outcome. And that meant that I was judging myself for being unhealthy. But how can you change this narrative? Instead of saying that I really want to lose my weight and get rid of this fat, I just have to switch it by saying I'm becoming somebody who respects their body. Similarly, if you want to quit smoking, instead of saying that I have quit smoking, you can say that I'm somebody who doesn't smoke. You shifting your identity makes you more consistent with your habits. Now, try this activity right now. Pause this video and write one thing that you want to become and not achieve. For example, I'm the kind of person that reads every day. I'm the kind of person who exercises every day. I'm the kind of person who eats healthy every day. Whatever your goal is, it shouldn't be achievement oriented, it should be becoming oriented. Tip number 2. The 2-minute rule. What we do is that we make extensive plans and we never end up following it. To change the whole narrative, what you have to do is to make your habit very, very achievable, जो आपके first 2 minutes के अंदर complete हो जाए. For example, I want to exercise from this point forward. अब मैं इसके अंदर एक प्लान बना सकती हूँ, एक जिम ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ, मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ. But how can I make it easier for me to do it every single day? The first task that I should assign to myself is to wake up, get ready, and put on my shoes. Putting on my shoes is a 2-minute task, and it really helps me in getting to do that exercise that I was aiming to do. Making your habits stupidly easy is the way to stick to your habits as well. Now, after watching this video, do this activity for yourself. If you want to build a habit of reading, what you have to do is just open a book that is literally in front of you. सबसे पहले उसको खोलो और उसका सिर्फ एक paragraph पढ़ो. One paragraph will take you just 2 minutes and you've already started reading your books. It was that easy. The third tip is habit stacking and environmental change. You don't lack discipline. All you lack is strategic cues. You don't have them around you. For example, you're someone who wants to eat healthy, but जब भी आपको भूख लगती है और जब आप अपनी स्टैक ड्रॉर खोलते हो, आपको सबसे पहले दिखती है मैगी, चिप्स, नमकीने, full of palm oil. All you have to do is to switch your environment and make it more viable and accessible and easy for you to accomplish those habits. So try to tie some of your regular habits to the habits that you're building. For example, every morning you brush your teeth. So now with brushing your teeth, what you can do is listen to an uplifting morning affirmations. Now this will help you in sticking to the affirmation habit as well, and it will increase your positive thinking. Number 4, don't rely on motivation, rely on systems. This is a very important one because we as humans tend to rely on motivation, on our mood, which is always going to fluctuate and shift. So we can't tie our habits to our motivation. What we have to do is to make strong system. There should be a cue, a routine, and finally a reward at the end of our habit. Pro tip for you could be to make a habit scorecard. At the end of each week, you will rate your habits. कि आपने कितने दिन वो habit किया और कितने दिन आपने नहीं किया implement. Don't aim for perfection, but only and only consistency. Some days you will be able to do a habit for 5 minutes, and some days you will be able to push for 45 to 60 minutes. And now the final and the most important pro tip that I could give you is to track your progress visibly. According to the Harvard Business School, visual tracking releases dopamine, which are our happy hormones. And it really keeps your brain hooked to the progress that you're making. But the key is to never miss a habit twice. Now, because you're at the end of the video, this task is very essential. सबसे पहले एक sheet of paper लो. जैसे ही ये video खत्म हो, आप अपने 4 habits लिखो जो आपको achieve करने हैं, or even 1. And then you make a 30-day scorecard of those as well. जो भी आपका favorite color हो, उससे आप उसको tick mark करो, color करो, या फिर सिर्फ आपको design बनाया, design बना लो. Make sure that you're not breaking a habit more than 1 day. नहीं तो बहुत inconsistent हो जाएगा और फिर आपका मन करेगा चलो 2 skip कर लिया तो तीसरा भी skip कर देते हैं. We don't have to skip 2 days at once. And also go one step further, and whenever you break your habit, write the reason why you did it. That will help you in analyzing your behavior, and it will really help you in understanding what you should do next. And that's all. Your habits are not about being perfect. It's just about being consistent, and it pushes you to a greater life, a greater you, the most ideal one of you. So actually sticking to your habits is quite easy. If you follow all of these 5 simple steps that I just recommended in this video, you will see a difference immediately. Start now. I've given you 4 exercises already, so you really have to get to it if you're serious about this. If you're still watching this video, put a heart emoji below, and I'll know that you've been a genuine listener. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.